Sorry about that. My last video, my memory's full on my phone, so I had to delete some stuff. But I'll get back to it. I was working on the floor. I've got non-skid on. I'm gonna put another coat of paint on top. But what I was gonna do is I was gonna fire up the motor. See, I know my battery's almost dead, but so there's Brandy, and then Chester's around here somewhere. But I'll fire up the motor. I don't see Chester. Give you guys a little taste of the motor running. I can't wait to get back out on the water. But we'll see if it starts up. The batteries dead. I gotta buy a trickle charger. Let's see what we get though. Here we go. Almost. There we go. She sounds pretty good. It's a 1981. Before I started doing the videos on my boat floor, like I said in the first video, which my first video is pretty horrific. I know my other videos are all so much better, but what I